What is going on, YouTube? This is RyanREAX with another video. Today's actually going to be another review because that's, what I do best is I just listen to songs that I've already listened to millions and millions of times. This band, I was like doing that. This band right here, right there. Yeah, cool. All right, that's Silver Ocean Storm, and this song is called Salt. Now, there's a lot of bands out there that'll have like a song or two up their arsenal in each album that really doesn't sound like their overall tone. And right now I'm holding something big and black. Oh, look at this thing, man. This thing is so crazy. This lens makes me love photography again. This thing is ridiculous. If I just placed it on and you look at me, I'd have to sit all the way in the back. It's the 105mm Sigma Bokeh Master. Place you down. You can admire it from across the room. Speaking of the room, look at all this stuff. Maybe you see something you recognize. Maybe while you're listening to the song with me, enjoying it, you will see something that interests you. But in the meantime, let's get right into this song, Silver Ocean Storm, Salt. It's a very slow song, by the way, but I don't know, it's one of those songs that you just want to close your eyes and just like go to another world, I guess. Let's do it. I can't play any instruments. I say that all the time. There we go.
And I feel dry, endless options, but not much time, floating freely and with no care, vacant breezes and bleaching fair, lost on water, opening out, understanding my liquid drought, destroying doubt. Smell only baking salt and the burning of my blackened skin, and I feel only gladness in my heart from the new and golden stars on the ebb and flow.
Man, before he actually kicks into overdrive again, I mean, it's pretty unique. Like, his vocal style is kind of something you would hear, like, in a rock song or something like that, or, kind of reminds me of Kurt Cobain a little bit. But, with metal, I guess. But that piano is really cool. I like the little bit of drums going on, I like the guitars, just the structure. But let's get into it. Actually, it sounds more like Dave Grohl from the Foo Fighters than it does Kurt Cobain. It's kind of funny, but man, I like how he just ended that. Let me play that back a little bit, like right here. sounds so good.
Shifting further, drifting aloft, when draining, I'm leaking soft, bones reducing and peeling down, cannot be found, and a creek into motion again, and a lurch towards our lost retreats, and it draws in a suction to land, girded ivory sand, and with a heart of grain.
So I'm trying to think, like, what does a song mean? Because I mean, looking at this album cover, I mean, they're definitely in a. I mean, for God's sake, the actual band Silver Ocean Storm. So it's definitely like just being in the midst of the ocean, just on a boat or on a voyage, just going somewhere. But and it's like Architect of the Dying Sun. I mean, it really gives me that like Bermuda Triangle like feel where you're just kind of trapped in a way. But listening to this song, I mean, it's like probably has nothing to even do with being on a cruise or a voyage or something like that. So it could be about a girl or just losing somebody. It could be about just getting over stuff. I don't know, like even the song title, like Salt. Just like salt water. I mean, who knows? that chorus. It's amazing the entire song, but just the last part, like that last minute and a half out of this 6 minute and 53 second song, or however long it is. Let's see. Yeah, 6:53. Shoot, just his voice just goes like crazy, and then just how like the music just goes up and just uplifts you, and it just makes you just want to go onto a voyage and just start shooting freaking cannonballs at other ships, fighting to survive and stuff. Man, it's insane. But I just love that song. I mean, I heard it over 10 years ago, and I still to this day love this song. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't heard it in years, but I never forgot it. Never forgot it. Because it's just, I can't run to this song. It's epic, but it's slow. But let me know what you thought about it, and hit the thumbs down. We don't do the thumbs up in this channel or in this Discord, or I said Discord, in this YouTube channel stuff. And well, you could do thumbs up in Discord also. Speaking of, I gotta make a Discord for my RyanREAX, but sorry, I kind of just woke up. I'm a little tired. I don't know why I'm thinking about Discord. But anyway, as always, guys, may the Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Hopefully you enjoyed Silver Ocean Storm. I'll definitely listen to another song with you guys, and it's going to actually showcase more about how they sound, because this is just one of their slow, like, just more clean approach. I know there are other stuff I can recall, just straight heavy, normal Melodeath sounding vocals and stuff like that. But peace out, guys.